So this is a video for if you're running R and you're running the new version of Mac OSX 10.9 Mavericks, um, you might be getting a problem in R when you make an error. Instead of just giving you some kind of error message back, R will tell you something like this, and it'll basically kick you out of the program. So if you're having this problem and you want to fix it, this video is for you. If you're not having this problem, then don't worry about this. So, okay, if you're having this problem, you need to do, you need to understand this process. So what you want to do is you want to upgrade what they call the Mac OSX GUI for R. Okay, and you get that by going to r.research.att.com. So that's the website. So when you pull up that website, it'll look like this. You scroll down to Mac OSX GUI, and the question is, there's like 6 choices that you have. So the question is, how do you pick which one you want to download? And that's what I'm going to show you right now. So you need to figure out what version of R you're running. So is it like 2.15 or 3.0 point something or 3.1 point something? And you need to figure out if you want the 64-bit or not. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So the first thing is, if you pull up R, it'll tell you if you're running, it'll tell you what version of R you are running. So I'm running version 3.0.1. And then to check if you're running a 64 or 32-bit, you actually can't go off of what it says here, because it'll say that regardless of the kind of chip that you're running. To check that on a Mac, what you have to do is you have to click on the Apple, you have to go to About This Mac, you have to click More Info, and then System Report or Hardware, depending on what version of Mac OS X you're... Well, I guess if you're running Mavericks, it should just say System Report. So you click on that, and you go in here and you look at the processor name, and mine says Intel Core 2 Duo. Now you compare your processor name to this list on the Mac website, and I find out that mine is 32-bit. So you can compare your processor name to this chart. This chart is available at support.apple.com/kb/ht3696. Anyway, so I found out that I'm running a 32-bit computer and I'm running R 3.0.1. So I go back here and I say, okay, I do not want the 64-bit one. I want the non 64-bit one, which happens to be this one, and I want it for R 3.0.x. So then you can download that and just click OK, and it'll run it. And then you can actually run R from there. And you should be able to drag that into your applications and use that to run R. And now this is the new GUI, and it should be working fine. So that is how you solve that problem.